Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tumpa and I know I'm posting a video after a very long time. Well, I have been going through some personal issues, and if you keep watching this video you will know that why I was not so consistent in the last few months. So today I'm going to review two amazing essential oil roll-ons. It's a blend of essential oils and this is from the brand MYSTIQ Living, and these are specially made for people who are going through stress, anxiety, or if you have any kind of sleep disorder. So these are 100% natural, there are no chemicals, and you can use them regularly. Now these have actually helped me a lot, and that is why I decided to review these two for you guys. So let me tell you something, that your body has its own way to react when it goes through any change. Now a lot of times because of stress and anxiety, people get affected emotionally or physically, and sometimes it is both. I lost a lot of weight, I was not eating properly, I couldn't sleep. Like, I used to go to sleep at night and I used to keep waking up throughout the night. I did take help of medicines. Somehow the sleeping pills didn't work for me, and obviously I didn't want to take any higher dose because I don't want to get addicted or habitual to taking sleeping pills, because they also have their own side effects. Plus, if you take sleeping pills, when you get up in the morning you feel dizzy, groggy and tired. So I was really looking for something which was 100% natural and something which I can use regularly. So I came across these two roll-on essential oils from MYSTIQ Living. So one is for stress relief, which I usually use during the day while I'm working, like if I'm working in my kitchen or if I'm working on my laptop or if I'm multitasking. I just use this one and I keep smelling this, and it makes me feel really calm and relaxed. And the other one is called Deep Sleep Roll-On, which I only use at night before I go to bed. So I'm going to tell you what are the essential oils they have put in these two roll-ons. These are 10 ml products and it's around 499 rupees, but if you buy them from Amazon, I will share the link in the description box, you can get it at discounted price for 399. So I bought it in a combo deal, so I got these together in combo deal. See, what happens is that when you get stressed, now I can't talk about it in detail because it's my personal issue, but I can tell you that I was not able to concentrate on my work. I was not consistent in posting videos. Somehow my appetite also became really low. I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep, I was like sad all the time, and I used to have anxiety issues. So yeah, not only these oils, but of course I also started doing yoga, meditation. So somehow that has also helped, and of course you need to do little bit of exercise, and you need to push yourself to get better. So yeah, it's a combination of everything. Now let me tell you that this first one, which is a stress relief roll-on, all you have to do is take this and apply it on your temples here, and you can also apply it a little bit on your forehead, then on your wrist. You can also apply it on your neck. When these oils get absorbed into your skin, they kind of helps to regulate your hormonal balance, and they work on your nervous system. It relaxes you, it calms you down, and the fragrance is just amazing. It feels like you are in a spa. It's like very refreshing and rejuvenating. This one has lemon essential oil, Ylang Ylang oil, then bergamot, peppermint, grapeseed and lavender. So Ylang Ylang and lavender calms you down, it gives you a soothing feeling, and it relaxes you. This is 100% plant-based, it is cruelty-free, and these are handmade essential oils. If you check out their website, I will give you the website here and in the description box. They also have different kind of roll-ons for other issues, and if you want to explore their website, you can find amazing skincare, hair care range. So yeah, do try it out, and they are really affordable. Somehow it just makes me very happy after I use this oil. So these roll-ons, they come under Aromatherapy. So that is how it works on your nervous system. So it gets absorbed into your skin, and at the same time, when you are smelling these essential oils, they release neurochemicals in your brain, and it works on your nervous system, and that is how it gives you a feeling of relaxation and calmness. The other one which I have is a deep sleep roll-on. Again, you can apply it on your temples, on your forehead, on your neck, and on your wrist and under your feet. When I use this, I do wake up at night, but then somehow the fragrance of this product makes me feel really good, and I again go back to sleep without any issue. So now I don't wake up so much, and I feel relaxed after using these oils. So basically, the deep sleep roll-on, it regulates your sleep cycle, and it is easy to carry, it is travel friendly, and yeah, I totally love this product. The aroma of this product is just amazing, and it gives me a very calm and relaxing kind of feeling. This one has cedarwood, chamomile. Now chamomile is something which relaxes you. A lot of people drink chamomile tea before they go to bed, so that is also something you can try. And then it has lavender oil, geranium oil, and grapeseed oil. So once I finish my work at night, I do my skincare routine, and I use a hand lotion, which is a must for me. Then I also like to apply some lip balm generously, and after that I take my health supplements like omega fish capsules, or calcium or multivitamin, and I think it's a must for everyone. You should also take this. And once I'm done with all this, I take my deep sleep roll-on from MYSTIQ Living, and I like to apply it on my wrist, on my neck, on my temples, on my forehead, and finally I apply it under my feet so that it gets absorbed into my skin, and the aroma helps me to relax and have a good sleep. Now, like I said, chamomile helps you to get a good sleep because it has a sweet smell. Cedarwood actually helps you to relax and soothe your nervous system, and lavender has antidepressive effect. So overall, I would like to say that both of these roll-ons are very effective and have beautiful aroma, and really helps me to relax, stay calm, and have a good night's sleep. Also, I have sensitive skin, and these two has suited me well. It's a beautiful oil, and you must give it a try. So just like this stress relief oil, in this one also it helps you to release neurochemicals, which works as a natural sedative, and that's why you can have a good deep sleep at night. Try these out. I will give you the link in the description box, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed using this product. And it's 100% natural, it is not addictive, you can use it every day as many times as you like. It has worked for me, and I'm sure it can work for you guys also. Thank you for watching this video. See me in my next video. Bye bye.